Hello once again and welcome back to Zurfatek the How-To channel. My name is Mustafa Zurfat and in this video I'll show you how to start a new YouTube channel, how to create a YouTube account, how to start with basic gear, how to choose the right idea and the right niche for your videos, how to edit your videos, and that include video editing and adding sound effects, adding elements like icons, titles, emojis, and finally music, how to write description for your video and choosing the right keywords and tags, how to upload your video and adding a thumbnail. Now if this is interesting, I would like to ask you to like the video and subscribe. So, the first step of how to create a YouTube channel, you need to have a YouTube account. If you don't have, you just need to go to google.com and create a new account. The second step is about recording. So, how can you start recording with the basic gear? So, the most important part is that you need to have a smartphone to record yourself with. When it comes to the second part, you need to start recording. So, you have two options. It's either you record yourself by using camera or your smartphone, or you can record your screen if you don't want to show yourself. When it comes to video ideas, you can start doing any searchable videos. Like you can start helping people by answering their questions and giving them a demonstration live. By doing that, you basically providing them with a proof of concept on whatever you are creating your content on. And of course, by doing that, you are creating a passive income, a passive audience, and a passive business growth. And this means automation. You can put a lot of work in just one video, and that one video can work for you for months and years. There are a lot of creative ideas for making money on YouTube. For example, product review videos, unboxing videos, pros and cons, fitness videos. So you can choose any of these subjects and make it work with your niche. And for example, if you remember what happened with the GameStop, when the stocks were moving up and down, a lot of people specifically started doing videos about this subject. So it's all about the viewer. What is he interested in? So you need to follow the trend. You need to start creating videos based on that. Thomas Edison once said, "We often miss opportunities because it's dressed in overalls and looks like work." 3.5 billion people, about 45% of the world population. That means almost half of the planet Earth population are using social media. Now, YouTube is the second most visited website in the world, the #1 platform in the world, and the second largest search engine after Google. So when it comes to recording, you should have a plan. You should have a script. Your video should have a purpose, like why I'm creating this video. There should be some people interested in this video, who's watching my video, why I'm doing this video. It's not about what do you like, it's more about what people are asking or what are they interested in. So you need to create your content based on their interest. Start with the research, get some information about that subject, create a script, and then start recording. You are just one ranked video away. What is a ranked video? It's any video that you post and continues on growing for weeks, months, or even years. This may not work once you have uploaded your first video, neither your 10th video, but maybe video number 15 will blow up in the YouTube algorithm. You just need one video to change your life. All you need is to commit on making videos. Okay, so now it's time to release the video, and all we need to do is editing and uploading the video. We need to craft the final title. We need to edit and upload the thumbnail. We need to add description and tags. And finally the cards and end card. I'm working on creating more in-depth videos on YouTube how-to, which includes video ideas, content research, recording, video editing, thumbnail for both Mac and Windows, also uploading and sharing on social media. If you're interested in knowing more about YouTube how-to for free, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of it.